welcome back. It's Louise. I'm hoping you can hear me better because I've got myself a microphone, so let me know in the comments if it's much better. Hopefully it is. Today I'm showing you a journal that I've already made. Blank pages and the kit that you can get to go with it to make it yourself or add all the elements yourself. I will show you the kit in a minute. I'll just show you this little journal. Take that off. And it's got a tassel and a little key. Well, and that's the back. And the cover is smaller than the pages. It just gives it that more, I don't know, just like it. So it has, let me just see how many pages. 238 pages, 4 signatures, and it measures 6 by 4.5, and it's got a 2-inch spine. And let's have a look. I've put some bits in it here and there, little tabs. That's original book pages. Dictionary pages. And I've used a kit from somewhere. I forgot to look it up, but I'll try and put it in the description for you. That's some wallpaper, coffee dyed paper, some book pages and the like. That's a freebie in the coffee shop at the moment, so you can pick that up. I've printed it to a page, so to make it smaller for this journal. That's it. It's already got some nice pages in it already, decorative pages. That's the first one. That's a little tag with another little mini tag. I mean, you could use this just for a writing journal if you wanted, and just keep the rest of the elements for your stash if that's what you'd like to do. I'm just doing a quick, just so you can see what is in it. Okay, that's the second one. This is a third. Music paper, another one of them. Again, a bit of everything. It's got nice torn edges. Nice spooky for Halloween, or witchy, whichever way you'd like it to go. And it's just stuck on there, I think, yeah. It's got October. And that is it. And there's a little pocket there in the back with that, and a magazine page, a dictionary page, sorry, and it just has on the Halloween page And that's the back. So that's a little journal that you get. I'll just wrap that up, otherwise I'll lose it. Right, so that's a little journal. Start this end. And I've put a couple of bits of lace together and some netting. This is some Halloween fabric that I've used before. Some twine. This is a fabric, but it's like that kind of fabric, what do you call it? Some sari silk, some cheesecloth, coffee dyed cheesecloth, and some black and gold lace, some printed fabric pieces, it's numbers, and it's numbers there, and I'll make a wish, found that, and some stamped words. It's got witch, spell, scary, spooky, and boo. So words and some numbers, just different numbers there. A little notepad, notebook, yeah. This is bulb pins and paper clips. Let's get the bulb pin. Bulb pins and paper clips in the same style. There's 10 of each in there. Got some music paper. I think there's 4 there. Some coffee dyed papers. They're folded in half. That's for some extra writing if you want to. I put 2 of these die cut pockets, triple pocket things. And you've got the little designs that you can put on the top. I've printed some of them out. Like these. I've done pages as well, I think. Let's find it. So you know what I'm talking about. There we go. Some book pages, and you can leave it as it is, or you could put the book pages on it, or the black, or whatever you like. That's them. And I have cut out some pieces of card. You can use that for whatever you want, pockets. Let's do this. Some sewing pattern paper. That's one of those freebies. I think I glued it together rather than, yeah, glued it together, so you could use that, make another little notepad with it because you've got some extra paper there, or just use it as a pull out writing space. Got an old envelope from 1953. I made you some pockets. You can have them whichever way you want. I've scored them already. You can back them if you want to make them a bit thicker, decorate them on the front, whatever you fancy. A long one there. Another long one. There's a few there. It's just an extra little journaling spot. Got some bigger tags here. Yep, they'll just fit in. Or they can be used as bookmarks. And some more journaling spots here. Or bookmarks, whatever you want to use them for. That's that way. Some little pieces of note paper that I've shrunk down. There's, I think it's that way, a bat picture on both sides, so you can use it if you want. An old picture. It's a printed copy. Just a little die cut. Some smaller tags here. There's two of them. One of them. That's a journaling spot, and so is that one. Both, everything's backed. Right, I've got a couple of file folders here. Another one. This was a freebie from Which Craft Do You Do? You get all these little elements in it, and you can just make up whatever you want. I think I've got another one. Or a couple actually. Another one. You could use these as pockets or tucks, or just glue it onto the page. Another one there. Another one. And I've got some original tickets here for you. Oops. That one is White Tether Laundry from Bournemouth. I don't know what year it is. It's from Bournemouth Corporation Transport 4D, so that's, it must be before the 60s or 70s, I don't know. And a Blackpool Central Pier raid, the Golden Goose Children's Raid, that one is. There's little labels, and number 31. There's two little rose pieces you can stick on. They are freebies from Junk with Steph. You can get them over there. That's from a kit. And these little tarot cards are a freebie in my coffee shop that you can pick up. There's little ones upside down. And these are all on the one page. And that's the bigger ones. And another one. And there, I think I printed them on card, so I didn't have to back them all. We've got a couple of envelopes. That is what some of those bits have been in. Got this one. This is a freebie from somewhere, I can't remember. And in here we've got some wax seals. I try to do them in dark Halloween colours. 2, 4, 6, 7 of them there. You can use them as dangles or to seal envelopes, whatever. There is some die cut tags there. Some die cut, let's get one out, tabs. Scored them all and folded them for you. There's a few in there. Tied together so they don't escape. There's another one of them, some die cut pieces. butterflies. I think that's from our kit. Some more butterflies. I don't know what colour these look like on the screen, but they are orange. And another pocket thing. Some more of them. They're good for either like book plates or using as a little tuck spot. You can add things onto it. You could do all sorts. Another one of them. Another little tag. And there's a couple of little flowers and leaves in all the colours. I've had all these in bags to stop them from getting ripped. Another one. The orange. There's a couple of green pieces. And there's this kind of top. Is it taupe? You call it? Which can just make it feel a bit more vintage. And a couple of beige. So that is everything you get with it. And you can just do what you want, when you want. And here you've got just some ribbon and sari silk. And one of those little hangy things. So, hope you like that. Thanks for sticking by me and watching everything that I showed, because that can be a bit boring, you know. But this is going to be in my shop. This will be in the Etsy shop. So I'll have the link down below, and just go and have a look if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.